Welcome to this episode of Easy Physics, where we'll be talking about the photoacoustic effect. Don't worry, despite the fancy name, it's not as complicated as it sounds. In fact, it's so simple even my cat could understand it. Have you ever been to a concert and felt the bass in your chest? That's kind of like the photoacoustic effect, but on a much smaller scale. Essentially, it's the process of converting light into sound. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wait, light and sound are two completely different things. How can they be related? Well, my dear listener, let me explain. The photoacoustic effect occurs when light is absorbed by a material, causing it to heat up and expand. This expansion creates pressure waves that can be detected as sound. Think of it like a superhero movie. The light is like the superhero's power source, and the material is like the villain. When the superhero uses their power on the villain, they start to heat up and expand, creating a shock wave that can be felt by everyone in the theater. Now, the photoacoustic effect has some pretty cool applications. It's used in medical imaging to create high-resolution images of the body. It's also used in environmental monitoring to measure air pollution levels. So, the next time you hear a loud bass drop at a concert, just remember that it's all thanks to the photoacoustic effect. And if anyone asks, you can impress them with your newfound knowledge of physics. That's all for today's episode of Easy Physics. Remember, if you ever need to explain a physics concept in a way that even your grandma can understand, just give us a listen.